Hi everybody, Angie Viper here with another very exciting episode of Angie Figures Out How to Style a Wig as she goes through the process of styling it. Yay! Today I will be working on my very first wig with my brand new partnership with Epic Cosplay Wigs. Very, very excited. If any of you are looking for awesome wigs to use for your upcoming cosplays, for your costumes, it's Halloween time. If you need stuff for Halloween, please check them out, epiccosplaywigs.com. There's also a link down in the description. Today I am going to be styling a wig for the character Bakugou. Insert photo here. From the anime My Hero Academia or Boku no Hero Academia. Here we go. First thing you're gonna need is a wig. I will be using today an Apollo in Natural Blonde. This is a short, thick wig. It has a very nice big wig cap. So for any of you guys out there who are thinking about cosplaying Bakugou, this is a great option for you because I promise you, even if you have a giant head, this wig really ought to fit. Second thing you're gonna need is a wig head. I prefer to style wigs on a male wig head as opposed to the female ones because female styrofoam wig heads tend to have a smaller head, whereas the male styrofoam wig heads generally have about 21 to 22 inches circumference around the forehead, which is about the average head size for most people. Next thing we're gonna need, hairspray. In this instance, I am going to be using Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. Last thing you will need is a hairdryer. You will want to use warm air, and you generally will want to use low speed or medium speed if yours is that fancy. Let's get started. Okay. So I have my wig on the head. I have made sure that the side ear tabs are approximately lined up with the ears and are even on either side and centered on the head. I have made sure that it's just a little stretched down the back of the head, and I have put pins all along the hairline. I always pin my wigs to the wig head so that it doesn't go running away when I try and start styling. So I think what I am going to do is take the thing that I did not include in the list of necessities. I prefer to backcomb my wigs a bit when I'm going to be doing spikes because it just makes them look a little fuller. Got nice, thick, coarse bristles, and this is what you use for teasing. What I am doing right now is I am just going through the wig and I'm spraying a little bit of Tresemme 5-hold hairspray. And it is mostly just going to give me a little extra hold for the back combing. Now it seems counterintuitive to mess up your wig before you start to style it, but when you are doing something like this, it can actually help your wig hold the style, get the look that you want, and for the wig to look nice and full if you back comb a bit before you start styling. You can kind of see this is already starting to look like a spiky anime boy. So for those of you that are curious, this is a texturizer or a hair blade. When I'm going to cut a wig like this that's going to end up fairly messy, I prefer to use a texturizer to scissors. So generally the way that I use this, and I realize it's probably completely wrong, but it works for me and ultimately it's cosplay, so that's all that matters. So I'm thinking this might make a fairly nice spike. Let's just kind of shear that down. You can see it's kind of starting to go down in length, and ultimately, that's what I want. now that we're all messed up, hairdryer back, got to be glued back. We are going to start reference photo pulled up on the computer. You may be sitting here thinking, but Angie, that's crazy talk. I love X character that I'm cosplaying. I would never forget an aspect of their wig. I've done it enough times. Trust me. It helps. I am basically just going around and filling in empty spaces with spikes. So, Bakugou's hair is a lot messier and fuller and less defined spikes. So I opted to kind of continuously break up some of those spikes with a little teasing, and would just kind of like selectively twist ends together. So I'm actually pretty happy with this guy right now. So I am going to hit it with one last cover. I'm going to use the Tresemme. Okay, so there I ran over the whole wig on cool and low just to make sure that all of the hairspray gets nice and dry. And now for the final step. I mean, I'm already happy with this. It does look a little long, but his hair is very full and big. So I feel like this is okay. If you were styling this for yourself, you could absolutely cut this shorter because there is plenty of space. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you found it useful and that you can utilize some of these techniques in your own Bakugou costumes or any other spiky anime boy wig costumes. If you do, please, please, please send me a link. Hit me up on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, Pinterest, you name it, I have an account on it, and I would absolutely love to see pictures of your costume that you created utilizing this tutorial. I do take wig commissions. If you feel like this is outside of your wheelhouse, that's not a problem. Do not feel bad. I am happy to take your money and give you a beautiful wig. So please feel free to hit me up anytime, either on my Etsy or at angieviper@gmail.com. And as always, all of my videos, everything that I do is thanks to my patrons. So if you enjoy what I do and you would like to help me continue to create more costumes, videos, do more Twitch streams, photo shoots, whatever it is that you like to see from me, everything is made possible by my patrons, so please, please, please consider checking that out. And once again, to Epic Cosplay Wigs, thank you so much for trusting me and for partnering with me and for giving me this challenge and for letting me work with some of your beautiful wigs. I really, truly, I would not vouch for a company that I did not 100% believe in, guys, and I love Epic Cosplay Wigs. Their wigs are beautiful. This was so easy to style, and even when I screwed up, as you guys saw in the video, it was so easy to just take out and start over again, which is wonderful for someone like me who kind of just experiments until it works. So check out Epic Cosplay Wigs at epiccosplaywigs.com and stay tuned for more wig tutorials coming very soon. Ta-ta!